Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to master merging layers so your designs look clean and professional? Click Create, then set your custom size to 300 by 300 pixels. Next, add elements to your design by choosing options from the Available Elements menu to start customizing. Find the lion entry and look for the user list. Locate the entry with the placeholder image. Click to add a new user and enter the name Aura. Type Aura in the provided field to complete the addition. Select the element shown here. Increase its size to enhance the overall effect, and add power to our lion illustration for a more dynamic and impactful design. Click Clear to reset your image. Then click Send to generate a glowing lion. If you want to combine this with another image, use the Merge option. This allows you to blend elements together for a unique result, enhancing your creative possibilities within the software. This panel displays your layers. Layer 1 is at the bottom, and Layer 2 is above it. You can view their positions in the stack here. Select a layer by clicking on it here. Layer 1 and Layer 2 are listed. When layers overlap, you'll see their combined effect in the workspace, reflecting their placement within the layer panel. To merge these layers, first select each layer you want to combine by clicking on them. Once selected, go to the top menu and click the Group button. This action groups the selected layers together, keeping your project organized and easier to manage. After merging, the object becomes part of a single layer, so you won't be able to move it independently anymore. After separating the elements, they will not be fused together. You'll notice overlapping where the fused elements were. To view or edit these fused elements, select them. You can then enlarge or modify them as needed to fit your project requirements and achieve the desired layout. You can enlarge this element by clicking and dragging its corners. To add another element, select it from the toolbar and place it on your workspace. To duplicate an element, click to select it, then press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. You can then reposition or resize the duplicated element by dragging its corners or edges. Repeat these steps to customize your layout and arrange each element as needed for your project. You can duplicate any image as many times as you need. To duplicate, select the image you want to copy and use the duplicate function. For example, duplicate this image again. Now you'll see we have a couple of duplicates of this image on the canvas. Each duplicate is independent, so you can move or edit them separately without affecting the original. Duplicating is useful if you want to create multiple versions quickly or use the same image in different places. You can repeat this process with any item, allowing you to build more complex layouts or save time by reusing existing elements as needed. To enhance your image quality, first set the image size to maximum. This increases the resolution and makes further editing or fusing images easier. After adjusting the size, click the Share button. From the available options, select Download. This will let you save the high-quality image directly to your device, ready for your next steps. Now you know how to merge layers in Canva. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more creative tips.